Hi friends, it's Claire from scrappynerduk. I thought I'd just jump on and do a little haul video for you. So there's two parts to the haul really. There's one, these are all from Crafterlier, and the reason I ordered from, I do try and order from stuff in the from shops in the UK, but I was desperate to get hold of one particular thing that I'll show you in a second, and I couldn't find anywhere that had it in stock when I actually ordered this. I've had this in for a couple of weeks now. I just haven't had a chance really to unbox it with being poorly and stuff, or to even use it. So I got some supplies, so I'll take you through the supplies that I got. So first of all, I picked up some paper that was in the sale on Crafterlier. This paper here is an older collection, the Wild Child collection, and that's the one where they had the boy and the girl collection. So this one here, so pink paisley, and I'm not too sure, these just got numbers, haven't they? And this one's number 12, and then this one came from the girl Wild Child, and this is paper number 3. And then the girl Wild Child again, and this is paper number 4. I love both sides of that. So I only got a few loose sheets of paper from my order, and then I got the 6x6 pattern paper pad. This is the boy one again, and I've got a lot of the other bits of the collection as well. So I picked up this, and I think this was less than £4 for the 6x6, so I grabbed that. Then from the same collection, I also picked up the thickers. These ones are called Explorer. I've got the girl ones of these as well, and I've got little nephews, so well, not so little anymore, but these would be great for layouts with my nephews. I've got a littler nephew as well, so that'd be great to scrap photos of him. And then the last thing that I got from that same collection, from the boy side of things, was the rub-ons, and you get 2 sheets in here, and these have been, so this is an old, not too old, but this is an older collection from 2017. So I picked those up just to try and work through that collection and try and get that out of my stash. The other thing that I got from Wild Child was from the girl collection, and these are the rub-ons for the girls collection as well. Again, all the collections come out at the same time, but again, I'm just wanting to get those bits finished off from my stash. Next, I also ordered 2 traveller's notebooks from Freckled Fawn. If you haven't caught the video, I have actually joined the Freckled Fawn design team. Normally I would just order from the Freckled Fawn shop, but as this was going to get to me much quicker and I've got projects that I need to start, then I ordered 2 of these, and I think these were less than £3 each, which is pretty reasonable for travellers' notebooks. Then going to Christmas supplies, I got these. I didn't even know the Crepe Paper Snow and Cocoa range came with frames, but I saw these in the clearance section, and these were £2 roughly for these Snow and Cocoa frames, so I grabbed those to put away into my Christmas stash. Then I grabbed these. I love Amy Tan. This is one of the card making kits, and this is from, I can't remember which collection this was from, the last one, I think, Hustle and Heart, maybe, not Hustle and Heart, Sunshine and Good Times, I think, potentially, but these help you put really quick cards together, which is always great when you need one to grab on the go, and I think this was £5, which is, I think, really reasonable, so I grabbed that. And the last couple of things from the supplies, I got these thickers. These are the Vicky Boutin ones, I believe, from her latest collection. Is it called Kaleidoscope? And it's got some really usable sentiments in here, and I just love the different fonts and the different colours, and I haven't got any of the other collection, but I think these are usable across any different collection, so I grabbed those. So yeah, really nice. And then the last thing for, I'm just about to create a craft lunch down here. The last thing for supplies I got were these. These are called Adventure. These are probably my favourite thing out of everything that I ordered. These are foam rather than chipboard. They're still quite dimensional, and they are obviously a travel themed one with vacay, road trip, explore. I love this flamingo. I was going to say penguin then. I love this flamingo. And then the back is all different ones as well. A little bottle. Why is it the bicycle? I don't get the bicycle ephemera. I really don't. There is in so many collections, and then the bicycles in the glass bottle. I don't get that, but I'm sure it'll get used nonetheless anyway. So we've got celebrate, getaway. You can still hear I'm still not 100%. I'm trying to work my way through this. Getaway, love, moments, family, and oh, happy day. And this cute yellow taxi. We went to New York back when we got, well, it was our honeymoon, so that was however many years ago. So 11 years ago. And I still haven't scrapped those photos. I've only been a scrapbooker for the last 3.5 years, so I'm still playing catch up. So that was the side of things. That was the supplies. And then the other bits that I got, I ordered quite a few different tools. So mainly we are memory keepers. This one here is a punch board storage tray, and I haven't opened this yet, and I thought I would do this on camera. I don't know how well this is going to go. So actually it's quite big. I didn't realise it's going to be that big. So it's very simple. The slots just fit into the little notches, and it's designed to store your punch board. So I've got an envelope punch board, I've got the frame punch board, I've got the mini alphabet punch board, and they're a nightmare to store, and I keep losing the blades out of them as well. So you can actually store them in here, and then when my craft room is back up and running again, when the drying has finally finished here, then that'll be a new addition to my craft room. So I'm just going to pop that back in there. Yeah, so that was, I think this was about £10, so I don't think it was too expensive. And then I also ordered the, this one again is We Are Memory Keepers from the Journal Studio. This is a reflection tracer, and I was super intrigued by this, and the packaging's a little bit damaged, but that's fine because I'm going to take it out of it now anyway. So it comes in this really cute little felt pouch, and excuse my nails as well, I know I need to paint them. I think that's it. Yeah, you could just get 2 little bits in here, and then this perspex goes on to the stand. You pop your phone here. I'm filming my phone at the moment, so I can't really show you, but you pop your phone here. It actually shows you on the back. And then there's, in their app, they've got different things that you can then, it reflects, and you can trace it through to the other side. And I think you can do that with pretty much anything. It doesn't have to be from their app. So I quite like doing it with script wording. So having a script word and then being able, I use the tracing paper a lot for that. So it does get very messy with the lead from the pencil, so I will, yeah, I'll see how I get on with that. And if you wanted a review video on the reflection tracer, then leave me a comment down below and let me know, and I shall arrange for that to happen. So yeah, that's the We Are Memory Keepers Journal Studio. Sorry, reflection tracer, that's called. And then I also ordered the We Are Memory Keepers book binding guide. Again, I haven't opened this. I'm going to open this on camera. And I think because Traveller's Notebooks, for me, are becoming something that I'm actually preferring to scrap in for time reasons and also space. I thought I'd order this because I know that sometimes I've obviously just ordered 2 Traveller's Notebooks, but sometimes I sit there and I think that I need a new Traveller's Notebook, and I'm going to have to wait to order one, and you know, sometimes you can cut down the cost of things by actually making your own. I have made my own before, but sometimes the seam doesn't always stitch correctly. So this is a tool that you basically can pop your, so you cut the paper size, and then you pop your paper in here, and it then you line that up to the centre. You pierce the holes. I think you have to sort of screw it down to keep it all in. so it doesn't move. Then you pierce the holes and then you sew it through. And in the little book here, actually, it shows you where to pierce the holes and different types of binding techniques as well. So there are many different ways that you can try this. Oh, there's a super complicated looking knot one. So yeah, I ordered this and I am excited to try it out. And it comes with this nifty little felt pouch, just like the reflection tracer. And no, I'm not going to be able to get that back in, am I? Let me pop that in there. There we are. And so that all goes back into the pouch. If I can get that closed. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that is the We Are Memory Keepers book binding guide. And I think this was about £18. So again, if you want a review video on this, then let me know and I shall arrange that. And then the final thing, which is the reason I actually placed this order in the first place, was to get my hands on one of these. And this is the new Amy Tangerine Watercolour set. And I haven't opened it. I thought I would do that on camera. And yeah, as I said, I had a look to see whether there was anybody stocking this in the UK, and there wasn't anywhere that had it. So I started searching around and found that Craftalier actually had it at a reasonable price, and I ordered it. I can't get the box open now. I'm going to tear it because I'm not keeping the box anyway. And I thought I would unbox it and actually have a quick look at it on my haul video. So in this little kit, oh, it's got Amy Tangerine written on the top. In this little kit, so this opens out. And then this opens out here. And so in here we have a pencil. There's a black fine line, which I'm led to believe actually that is waterproof. I believe I read somewhere. It says pencil, pen, water bottle, a sponge. I don't like touching dry sponges, so I won't do that. 12 watercolour paints and a refillable water brush pen. Not too sure how good that's going to be. And yeah, I believe it did say somewhere, I'm sure I read somewhere that that pen is waterproof. So it's quite handy, the fact that this side here is like a little watercolour palette. It's like a little palette. So if you want to mix colours, then there's a palette this side in order to be able to do that. And I just think this is the sweetest little watercolour set, and I literally can't wait to start using it. And it'll be great to take on the go with me as well. So thank you very much for watching my haul video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope I've not enabled you too much to go out and spend any more money. And I look forward to using some of these in my upcoming videos. So thank you all very much, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Bye.